Hello, Kostas Albanidis here, and to this very short video, I'm gonna show you how, when you have added all the information you need about your opportunity, your offer, your service to your marketplace, to AffiliatePal, how easy is to create content. Okay, over here, I'm gonna show you that I have, AffiliatePal is really an amazing tool because you can leverage AI, you can have all your opportunities gathered to one place, and you can easily use them anytime you want to any other platform. Okay, to this very short video, I'm gonna show you just how easily you can navigate here and create an article. Okay, just an article. Um, Let me show you how easy it is. You just click create content. You're gonna select here this one I want to create for PowerPoint, and it's gonna show the affiliate link straight away. I'm gonna say that I want to create it with AI. Okay, and then the next thing is that I'm gonna create an article. Okay, that's what I want to create. And next, I'm gonna select if I would like to affiliate PAL to create the title. That's gonna be using AI. And the next thing, you see, I have already added my video to the page of this program, and I'm gonna upload even a screenshot about this one is about Bundle PowerPoint Pro Volume 1 and Volume 2. So I'm gonna select one of those that I have over here. Just give me a moment to find it. It's over here, and I'm gonna just upload it. You see, I got even more, but I just want this one to show to this content. And then the next thing is just to select the prompt. You can create as many prompts you want over here, so that you can easily just select it. You select just the title, in fact, over here, not the whole prompt. You save it to your account, and you can just easily select and create your content. You're gonna find those ready-made prompts, so you don't have to worry about creating any other prompt. Or if you want just to give more details or anything you want to your content, you can select something else. So I just select this prompt, and straight away AI is gonna provide me with the whole article. You see, I have the whole article here, and I'm gonna click submit, and that was all, guys and girls. Okay, that was all. I just click submit, and I'm gonna have my article ready and published. Let me show you over here. I'm gonna move to articles, and I'm gonna show you here that I have my article already published, and I can easily share to anywhere I want. You see, I have this article over here, and uh, if somebody reads the article, you're gonna see that all your links, you can even see that that's the first view for today, and you can see that I have the AI added even my affiliate link to the link that it's highlighted in the end of the article. You're gonna see here that I have already added the video, so it was so simple to create the article. You can create as many articles you want, and you're gonna have a lot of traffic to to see your link and to click and see your opportunity. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found the value inside this nice platform, and if you follow me even to my lead gen, just send me a message, and I'm gonna give you this platform for free. You're gonna be able to create any kind of content as long as you use my lead gen secret. Thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.